The Amber Craft Beer Brewery and Restaurant in Torrevieja is a unique project that combines a modern restaurant with a craft beer brewing facility. The building was initially a basic construction frame provided by the developer. It required complete adaptation to meet the client's needs. Our task was to transform this 600 square meters space into a professional venue, combining a stylish restaurant and a technically equipped brewery. The brewing area spans over 100 square meters and was designed to support a complex brewing process while being outfitted with all necessary equipment. Key challenges of the project: reinforcing floors and the foundation to ensure the safe installation of heavy equipment, designing and installing engineering systems, including electricity, water supply, ventilation, and exhaust systems, ensuring seamless operations for both the brewery and the restaurant. What we achieved: detailed calculations were conducted to ensure the structural reliability of the multi-story building. All phases of construction were completed, including rough works, final finishes, and decorative elements. Professional equipment was procured and installed for both the brewery and the restaurant, tailored to meet the specific requirements for beer production and efficient guest service. Result: in just 6 months, the building was transformed into a stylish and functional space, seamlessly combining a craft brewery with a modern restaurant. Why choose Arcostec? We handle projects of any complexity, from liquidity analysis and property selection to full construction and delivering a turnkey business. This project demonstrates our expertise in solving complex engineering challenges and tailoring projects to meet unique client needs. Arcostec is your trusted partner. We guarantee high-quality work, strict adherence to deadlines, and compliance with all standards. Contact us and let us bring your most ambitious ideas to life.